Hey guys, I hope you all are doing really great. So after a long time, I'm here to share my painting ideas again with you all. And I'm in love with painting the small ceramic planters nowadays. So I'll be sharing very easy and quick painting ideas with you all that you can also try at your home. So this is a ceramic planter, and since it has a glossy surface, so we need to give it a base coat using acrylic paint or a chalk paint. So I'm using the chalk paint over here. You can use white acrylic paint as well. And I'm also using these different shades of acrylic paints. You can use whatever acrylic paints you're having at your home, and this mixing plate and a normal flat brush. So let's get started. So first I'm taking all the paints that I will be using in painting this planter on this mixing palette. Now here I'm adding a little white paint into the pink shade so that I can get a nice pastel pink shade. And you need to mix the paint really well so that you can get a smooth-like consistency before starting to paint. So once your base coat has already dried, now let's paint the different abstract shapes using different colors. First you can make the outline of the shape and then you can fill the shape. If you think that the paint is not much pigmented, then you can also apply a second coat of paint once the first coat of paint has dried completely. Now as I'm having the pink shade already onto my brush, so I will be painting some other abstract shapes also using the same pink color. Now I will be using the mustard shade, and I'm mixing a white also into that paint so that I can get a very nice pastel kind of mustard. And here I'm making a big abstract shape using the mustard paint. Now let's add some pastel orange shade, and I'm mixing the paint very well before applying the paint onto the planter. Now once all the paints have dried, I'm lastly making this sky blue abstract shapes. Okay, so I have painted all the basic shapes onto my planter, and once the paint has completely dried, I will be using this black BRUSTRO acrylic brush pen, and I will be adding some line art, basically florals and leaves. So I will be adding some bold floral and leaves to enhance this design, and also I will be adding some small black line art as well in some areas of the pot. You can get very neat and clean line art using this acrylic brush pen, and it's very easy to use it on the planter. I will mention the link of this brush pen in the description box, and all the other paints as well that I have used in making this planter, so you can check out the description box. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoy watching this video and could get some inspiration to paint. If you want to ask anything, then please share your questions or doubts in the comment section, and I will reply you back as soon as possible. Thanks for watching again, and if you like this video then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who love to paint. And please also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will be sharing many more easy painting ideas in my upcoming videos. Till then, take care, bye bye.